I am Mithun Purandrayer. I'm an actor, producer, entrepreneur, a fitness and nutrition expert, and I'm here on Youth Incorporated to answer some fun questions. Rakh Hausla means keep the faith, especially in tough times when you're low in life and things are not working out for you. Don't lose hope. Keep your head high and keep on moving and trying and doing your best. Because when the right time will come, things will work out. So the song is about not losing hope and keep on trying, especially in today's time when the COVID situation, when so many people lost their lives, businesses have been down, people have lost their jobs. This song plays perfectly in that time. Well, actually, I've been acting since I was a child. I've been doing dance drama on stage. Professionally, I've been always doing theatre. I've done musical as well. So before COVID times, I was at Prithvi, and it. So when I was in that moment performing, that's when it struck me that this is what I love to do. It's important that we take risks, make decisions, whether it's right or wrong. I have got it from Sir Ratan Tata that take a decision and make it right. That's my goal and mantra which keeps me going. It doesn't matter if you fail. It doesn't matter. You have to keep on trying, keep on doing what you want, and keep the faith. Rakh Hausla. Well, there's one role model who I've always followed is Bruce Lee. I love Bruce Lee. I love Bruce Lee's philosophy called JKD, Jeet Kune Do. I use Bruce Lee's philosophy in my life, not in just terms of martial arts, in terms of my life, as it's very effective. Whatever is easy, effective, is going to show results. So I love Bruce Lee is my role model, and Vin Diesel also. Yeah, some of the names. I mean, I have tons of role models, but Vin Diesel and Bruce Lee, some people who I look up to. I have my own line of shirts, like what I'm wearing right now. I have organic cotton line of shirts. I love working out. I'm a fitness nutrition expert, so everything to do with fitness, working out, yoga, meditation. I love trekking. I love dancing. I love many outdoor extreme sports as well. I enjoy working on all my plays and all my films, but I would certainly say the film which I just completed for Ram Gopal Verma. It was actually when I moved to Goa post COVID, like 5th July. I came here with an independent film which was shot halfway, and then I was here. And Ram Gopal Verma also moved his office to Goa, and he was looking for actors from Goa. And because I was there, it's like being in the right place at the right moment. It just worked for me there, and I love Ram Gopal Verma, so I think it was an awesome experience working with him. And he has found a liking in me, so there's potential for bigger series and more work coming in the new year 2021. And one of the plays that I enjoyed a musical. Actually, it was very tough. It was an LGBT play called Hyacinth, where I play the Greek god and I fall in love with a human being. And there is other god, Zephyrus, who's a god of destruction, and I'm the god of creation, and we both fall in love with this human being, and eventually the human being dies, and we name it as Hyacinth, which is still known as a hyacinth flower. It was very tough for me, as it was all dancing, and as well as it was a gay play. So yeah, I had to basically cross a lot of boundaries, and it was probably the first time when two guys have kissed on stage, and I don't think so it's happened till now. Till then it never happened, and never happened till now after that also. So yeah, that's one of my best experiences. Listen to the gut instincts. Be a good person. Okay, help others, help your parents, help yourself. and just believe good things will come to you. That's it. That's the advice I would say. Just follow, keep on following, be disciplined, work out. Yeah. Please do watch Rakh Hosla. Comment on my Instagram, connect with me there. If you have any interesting things, please do share with me and we would connect there. Thank you.